Hello friends of YouTube, welcome back with a new unboxing video. In this video I will unbox the Huawei P30 Lite. This will be my new phone. I'm coming from the Huawei Mate Lite Pro. I have already made the unboxing of this smartphone and I have made the review also. Please check the link below to see the videos if you want. Unfortunately this is dead for now. Some water fell in it and it's totally fucking dead. The warranty doesn't make the problem, so I should buy the Huawei P30 Lite. I bought this for 200 euros, so I guess it's a budget phone, and I believe it will be a lot better from the Mate 20, sorry. So let's go with the unboxing. Let's see what we have here. So guys, we have the Huawei P30 Lite with 128 gigabytes of memory, very good. That's a pretty decent number. 4 gigabytes of RAM and midnight black color. So this is our phone, my phone actually, and let's proceed with the inside. Shit, I destroyed the box. Okay, now almost all the phones have the same package. And this is the Huawei P30 Lite. 1, 2, 3 cameras on the back, one on the front. Okay, let's continue here to see what else we have. Of this, a USB-C cable. Okay, our charger and some headphone. Okay, let's go with that the sides. Let's see a little bit. So this bigger, if I remember well, this is 5.9. I'm not sure, I don't remember well guys, and the box here doesn't say anything. I really don't remember the size of the screen. Anyways, this is bigger. Let's turn this baby on and see what's going on with the Huawei P30 Lite. The Huawei Mate 20 Lite wasn't so good, I was very disappointed. Too much lag. As I said in my review, please check the review. Okay, so I remove that. Very beautiful. So this is our Huawei P30 Lite. I hope it will be much more better from the Huawei Mate 20 Lite. The screen is very bright and very beautiful. I don't know why, but the first thing I want to do with the phone is open the camera. Now I can't tell many things, so yeah, that was the unboxing for the Huawei P30 Lite, guys. I will make a review for the phone in a few weeks. I will use it a lot and I will see if it's any good. So yeah, Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. See you in the next one. Bye guys.